What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to show your battery percentage on an iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. On the newest iOS version, the only way to show the battery percentage on your iPhone status bar is to swipe down from the top right of your screen. This way, you will be able to see the battery percentage next to your battery icon at the top of your screen. Another way to preview your battery percentage is by adding a battery widget to your home screen. In order to add the battery widget to your home screen, swipe left on your home screen. You'll see a bunch of different widgets here. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Edit. Now, go ahead and select the plus icon on the top left of the screen to add new widgets. Scroll down and locate the batteries widget. Click on it and select Add Widget. Now, select the batteries widget and drag it to your home screen, adjusting it wherever you want. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.